Hey guys, it's Rianne, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of outfits from Boston Proper. I am such a huge fan of Boston Proper, especially their Beyond Travel line. So this first outfit, as you can see, is this super fun tie top that's in black and white. I thought it was just so interesting with the tie in the front and then this open back in the back. And I paired that with a pair of these Palazzo pants from the Beyond Travel collection, which are so incredibly comfortable. They're probably the most comfortable pair of pants I have in my wardrobe. I love that this outfit can really do anything. It can go from day to night so easily, and it's incredibly comfortable. So I never feel like I'm being restricted, but I still look so chic and put together in it. And I absolutely love how fun it is. This next outfit is mainly comprised of this off-the-shoulder dress from the Beyond Travel collection. I love this so much. It's so hard for me not to put this on every single day. In fact, I was starting to wonder if my neighbors thought I only had one dress because I reach for this all the time. I love that I can just throw it on and I look super sophisticated and dressed up, and yet it is so incredibly comfortable. One of the things I absolutely love about the Beyond Travel collection is that these fabrics don't wrinkle. So when I am going on a trip, I can just throw this into my bag, and then when I pull it out of my suitcase, I'm ready to go. I love that I can just throw this on and immediately look totally put together. This last outfit has been a favorite for me recently also. I love how chic this white top is, and the boat neck neckline is so incredibly classy and gorgeous. I just think it's so comfortable and it's tailored in such a way that it's incredibly flattering. For bottoms, I have on a straight leg pair of pants from the Beyond Travel collection. This outfit is so comfortable, but it's so chic and elevated. And I think that's something that's really hard to find, is a comfortable outfit that's also incredibly chic. And so that is why I absolutely love the Beyond Travel collection from Boston Proper, because it delivers on all of those things. The more pieces that I try from this collection, the more pieces I have to have from this collection, because I just always want everything in every color and I want every design that they make. These clothes are so durable and well made, and they're perfect for traveling, which is something that you guys probably know I do a fair amount of. Thank you guys so much for watching this lookbook. I hope you got some outfit inspiration. Definitely go and check out Boston Proper, especially the Beyond Travel collection, because it truly is my favorite. If you want to keep up on my travel photos, definitely go and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys!